guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video I am going to be showing you how to prep your nails when you are about to put any stick-ons or acrylics or overlays. So these are my nails. I have prepared them already. So what I'm just going to do, I'll be pushing the cuticles back, and then I'm going to be using this to cut off the excess cuticles. And you need to be very careful when you're doing this because it's not easy. You're going to need a file. This machine, it also does the same purpose as the file. You're going to need your cuticle cutter. You can tell there's a difference between the cuticle cutter and a nail cutter. This is a cuticle cutter, as you can see the angle right here. And then this is the nail cutter, cuticle remover, which also has a cuticle back pusher and your nails and glue. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video. If you are interested in this video, then keep watching. Up next, take your nail glue and the nails and stick it onto your nails. So after you're done putting on the nails, you basically cut the nails into your own preference, and then you are going to be filing this area to avoid the ridge when you're applying your nail polish, so that it doesn't form a bump right here. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I decided to use this because the file is just not doing it for me. I'm used to this, so this is what I'm going to be using. So when I meant removing the ridges, you can see there is a difference and there's consistency right here where I am pointing at. So yeah, that's the consistency I was talking about. So I'm going to be shaping these nails, and then that's it. So guys, this is the end result, and I went for the square shape. This is what my nails look like. Let me know if this was helpful down in the comments section. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.